Unrivaled Understanding. The meaning of matchless. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, the home of language learning. Today, we're diving into a word that's as unique as it is powerful, matchless. If you've ever wondered about this term, its usage, and want to expand your English vocabulary, then you're in the right place. Let's unfold the meaning of matchless and see how it can add value to our communication. Matchless is an adjective, and as the word itself suggests, it's used to describe something so good that nothing can be compared to it. It's like saying something is so uniquely excellent that it stands alone, without an equal or a peer. When you think of matchless, picture a champion with no rivals or a masterpiece with no equal. It's that extraordinary. Now that we understand what matchless means, let's see how it fits into our everyday language. We often use it to praise and highlight the unparalleled qualities of people, objects, or experiences. For people, her dedication to the cause is matchless. She's truly one of a kind. For objects, this violin has a matchless tone, making it the prized possession of any musician. For experiences, the view from the mountain peak is matchless. Photos just don't do it justice. Remember, whenever you use matchless, you are placing whatever you describe at the very top of its category. Synonyms are words with similar meanings that can be used interchangeably depending on the context. For matchless, some common synonyms include incomparable, unrivaled, peerless, unparalleled, nonpareil. Using synonyms can add variety to your speech and writing, making it richer and more engaging. Understanding the opposite, or antonyms, of matchless can also give us a deeper understanding of its meaning. Some antonyms are ordinary, commonplace, average, mediocre. These antonyms remind us that matchless is reserved for things that truly stand out from the rest. I hope this exploration of the word matchless has been insightful and adds a unique flavor to your vocabulary. Remember, when you use this term, you're not just describing something great. You're saying it's in a league of its own. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning and keep sharing the beauty of language.